Hello folks, Waz here, B&B Audio Concepts. We're based in Wales, Cardiff, and today we have a Fiat Abarth. Customer didn't like the original Fiat radio, wanted something a bit bigger, didn't want to change the dash too much. So we've done this Kenwood single DIN, but with a 9-inch display. It's called a 920. Absolutely awesome unit. It's got touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all the usual that you would expect. We've got the steering wheel buttons working, and then the cool thing about this is it can go, can't do it with one phone, but left, right, and you can also go up and down on it without having to adjust any screws. So we like this unit. It's also got a HDMI port which allows you to play Fire Stick and so forth. Something like this interests you, give us a ring. This now has a 3-year warranty and it's covered by us, so any issues, you know, you haven't got to worry. Okay, come to the experts, Pro Install Dealer, based in Wales. Thank you very much. Bye bye.